All right, y'all, check this out. Look at that in there, John. Show them that sausage. Y'all, that's 30 pounds of smoked sausage right there in the pot. Y'all, this is new to the market right here. We got the low sodium in the big jar from the Southern Boyz. Put that in there. Look at that color going on, boy. Rolling up the low sodium in there. Look at the inside of that, John. Look at that sausage all cooked down. Check that out. Get it up out here. Ooh, ain't that pretty right there. All right, y'all, let's throw that chicken in there. Woo! Oh. Hey, y'all, that's 30 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs right there. Going in there with that low sodium. Watch this here. Oh, man, look at that color going in there, boy. Watch it now. You got to watch that tail. Put a little Worcester sauce. Look here. Ooh. Pretty or what right there, y'all? That's 30 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs coming up out there. And here we go. 30 pounds of temple meat. Don't let it touch the pot. Touch the pot. Ooh! I knew it. Season up that temple meat. Look here. That's 30 pounds of temple meat in there. Oh, look at that color going in there, boy. Sour sauce. What I say, you got to watch that Dale's, man. You got to watch that Dale. What about that pepper, boy? What about that pepper? All right, John. Let's get that temple meat up out there. Look how pretty that is right there, huh? That right there, y'all, is absolutely beautiful. Here we go. 40 pounds of that Trinity going in. Ooh. All that right there. You see all that flavor coming out of that pot right now? Oh, man, I'm telling you, man. There'll be some good stuff here. All right, y'all, here we are. Me and 945. We're cooking that jambalaya for Rouses. We already got it started here at the store. We didn't know about the weather and all that. So we're going to cook some of it here. We're going to brown the meats. Got the onions in there. And then we're going to load it up, head over there. We're going to drop the water in it. Once we get there, bring it to a boil, add the rice, cook a little bit at Rouses. So we should be there around 10:30 today. There's old 945 right there, y'all. Y'all come see us today at the Rouses, Central Louisiana. We'll be there around 10:30 and finishing up the jambalaya for everybody. But look at that, y'all. Woo, that looks good. Y'all come get a bowl. All right, y'all, we're going to add 2 more bottles of that brown sugar water to it. Ooh, that makes a total of 4. All right, y'all, we're going in there with the other pan of temple meat. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Ooh, that's 30 pounds of that good old temple meat right there. Now we're going back in there with that 30 pounds of that smoked sausage we browned down. Check that out. Oh, that's our sausage and our temple meat back in there with them onions. Oh, man, that's looking so good, baby. Woo, look at that. Look at that, boy. Looking like a po' boy already. Add that chicken back to it. Look at that. Oh, man, that looks so good right there, y'all. Got chicken in there. Flip it around. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, y'all, we added 10 gallons of water right here. Got it in gallon jugs with David here. All right, Dwayne, here we go. 45 pounds of rice going in. Ooh, man, is it going to fit in here or what? Right, now what we want to do, y'all, after we put it in, you don't want to sit here and stir it. You never want to stir it. You just want to push it a little bit like this and make sure it unclogs. That's all you want to do. Just push it like that. Come back from this way. Push it back this way. Just push it like that. And what we're going to do here, y'all, we're going to turn that fire down a little bit. Turn it down like that. And we're just going to let it do its thing. We're going to let the rice do its thing, let it cook down. Spread that lid. Lid it up. See y'all in about 30 minutes. Hey, y'all, let's check this jambalaya out. Look at that, y'all. All right, time to do that world famous first flip, y'all. Get it in there. And what we're going to do, y'all, we're just going to pick it up like this, and we're going to flip it over. Now look at that, y'all. Look how pretty that is right there. Oh my goodness. All right, smooth it back out. Lid it back up for about 20 minutes and be ready to serve. We're gonna do that final flip right here before we serve it out. But look how pretty that is right there, y'all. My goodness, look at that, y'all. Man, that's what I'm talking about. On the way.
Looking good.
That looks good, don't it?
Smelling good.
Look at that. Look at that.
Man, you got Central smelling like jambalaya.
All right, y'all, we're doing the final flip on the jambalaya. Man, it was a two-part process of cooking it. We had to cook it in one spot, then finish it up once we got to the Rouses in central Louisiana. That's when we added the water and stuff, man. But what a great turnout, man. I can't thank everybody enough for coming out to the Rouses in central and trying some of our jambalaya. Hopefully we get to do it again soon. Thank y'all for your friendship.